Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you have an admin account with MFA and export current settings so you can restore if needed. Once done, backup configuration and verify secure network paths. Use VPN or SSH, not public Wi-Fi. Next, open the console and authenticate. Make sure your session timeout is long enough for the task, but short enough for safety. Begin with a read-only audit to see current state before any changes. This prevents surprises and saves recovery time. Now you perform the core changes. Adjust roles, policies, and resource permissions. Start with least privilege edits and apply them in small increments. This reduces blast radius. Once a change is planned, run it in a staging environment or target one test user to observe effects. While monitoring logs, validate access and functionality. Check services, APIs, and dependent jobs. If automation exists, update scripts and run a dry run. Make sure audit logging is active to capture all. Finish by validating every service and running compliance checks. Verify monitoring alerts and performance baselines return to normal. Document the exact changes, timestamps, and rationale, and schedule a follow-up review to confirm long-term stability. Once complete, remove temporary elevated sessions and rotate any keys used. If something goes wrong, don't panic. Immediately apply the exported configuration to roll back. Then examine audit logs to isolate the failure. This quick rollback buys time while you analyze.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.